guys, and welcome back to my channel Wrecking Unreal. First of all, I would like to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel. It's been good going for me. I have gained like 30-40 subscribers in a month. That's pretty good for a YouTube channel, and it's all because of you. And I will try to give you the best experience, and I will try to explain everything in detail so you can learn more. So today we are going to start the third part for our lost environment project. Well, we have completed the landscape, the Nanite landscape. As you can see, we have these rocks here, and it's all because of a new technology from the Unreal Engine that's called Displacement. Okay, and we have set up the 3D asset blending. As you can see, if we move the 3D asset and we just bring it down, as you can see, the sand comes over to this rock and slowly fading away, and it looks beautiful. I love it. Okay, today we are going to move further and we will add the 3D assets to our map. First of all, we will add the larger details to our map, then we will go for the medium ones, and after that we will add the smaller details to our map. So for this, I'm just fast forwarding my video. There is nothing new. I'm just selecting my 3D asset and just putting them on my map and just placing them where I want. You can do it according to your own likeness. So here we go. Okay, these are the 3D assets I'm using. You can just download it from the Quick page. It's pretty easy to download. Just need the name of these 3D assets, like this gigantic sandstorm, these mountains here, and this large Nordic coastal cliff and limestone rocks, and it's easy to download every one of this. You can watch my previous videos for that. So let's move on. Okay guys, we're done adding the 3D assets to our map, and we have added the larger details, the medium ones and the smaller ones. Now we move on to add the cabin to our map. I have already downloaded the cabin and I will share a link for you. Browser, go to the content, right click and create a folder called cabin. Okay, and just double click on it, right click and import to game. For me it's in drive F. I will type cabin. This is the cabin tutorial model.fbx. Just open this one. Make sure to take the build nanite, go down and select do not create material and import all. Just ignore this message, clear this one, close this window, open the content browser. So these are the static meshes for our cabin. You just need to select the first one, go to the last one and drag this to your map like this. You need to right click here and group all of these, and you can rotate it like this. You can even scale it down. Like this, or maybe even back like this. Okay, so this is our cabin. You can move the angle of your sun to just point like this. Oh gosh, this looks stunning. I love it. Okay. You can add a point light. We don't need to add a point light for now. Okay. So here's our cabin. We need to add textures to our cabin. It's pretty easy. Just open the content browser, go to content, the mega scans and the surfaces, and these are all the 3D textures we have for our cabin. For example, we have this metal sheet. I will just double click on this and just drag this. If you have this file, just drag this to your cabin. Yeah. For the next, go to the surfaces. I have this one painted metal roof. Just drag this one here like this. Okay. And for the door, you can have this one. Okay. And for the sides, you can use the metal sheets. I'm sorry. Okay. Just save your project. Go inside. Okay, this is the inside interior for our cabin. I love that beautiful light coming inside the cabin. Okay, we need a wooden floor. So for this, go to the surfaces. You can find any type of wooden floor on the Quickstep bridge. I have searched and I find this wooden floor. This is pretty shiny and it looks stunning like this. Yeah, it has a good quality and I love it. You can choose any other textures as you like to. And for this window, we have the same one we used for the previous window, this. And for the metal sheets, just choose this one, drag this one here. Just ignore this mi_metal sheet. I will go through this in a later part, the next part, the final part of our tutorial, and why we are using this. I will tell you in that part. Okay, so just drag this here and like this. Okay, yeah, it looks stunning. Okay, for the roof, we will use the same one, this one. Okay, and for this, for the borders, we'll use something shiny and we will use this steel. Okay, like this. Okay, and for this we'll use our steel texture like this. Save your project. Okay, now we need to add the glass shaders to the front side and to the back side of this cabin. Well, it's pretty easy. I am using the advanced glass shader. I will put the download link for this plugin and it's pretty easy to download. You just need to download it from the description of this video, and after you download it, go to project location. For me, it's in drive E, like this, Unreal Projects. This is my project and this is the content folder in this project. You just need to copy that downloaded file, this file, and paste it here, the advanced glass shader, in the content folder of your project, and then close this one and restart your project. You will find this folder in your content browser named advanced glass shader. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. So for the advanced glass shader, go to the sample content, go to the helmet, and go to the materials, and we will have this vision clear. I'm using this one. You can try it other one as well. Okay, yeah, well, yeah, this looks stunning. I love it. I love it. We need to just drag it down a bit. Okay, I didn't add the textures here. For this, I will open the content browser, go to the mega scans, the surfaces, steel, just add steel here. Okay, and we need to add textures to this cabins. For this, open the content browser, go to the wooden planks. You can use any texture you want. I'm using this one. Yeah, it's looking nice. And for these, we use the marble texture. For this, open the content browser and this is the marble texture we have. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Yeah, and you need to go to the mega scans, 3D assets. This is the object I have downloaded for of this cabin. You can just find this one by typing this name in the quickfill bridge. Just drag this one here. Like this, and just save your project. Okay, it looks good. We need a texture for this. Go to the mega scans, surfaces, and you can use this one here. Okay, just save this one. Okay guys, we are done adding the cabin to our map and it looks stunning. I love it. Okay, now we need a bed for our cabin. Obviously we need to sleep at night, so we need a bed for that. It's pretty easy. I have downloaded it already, but I will put a download link for you so you can download it as well. So for me, you just open the content browser, go to the content, just right click, make a new folder called bed, double click on it, right click, import to game, and here just I will type bed in drive F for me, bed.glb. just open this one up and you don't need to do anything here. Just take this one, combine static meshes, and Everything seems good. Just import this one. Okay guys, our bed is imported and we need to go to the content, the bed folder. This is our bed. Just drag this to your cabin like this. Just rotate it like this. I need to just scale it down, move it. I need to scale it down a bit. And that looks good. Okay, we have a bed, we have a beautiful scene here, we have the ocean, and we have this this lost island beach here, and yeah, it looks stunning. Okay, just save your project. I love it. You can make any adjustments at any time you want. It's not necessary. For example, if you want to add some kind of a 3D asset like the rock or something else, or you can find anything better in the Quixel bridge, you can download it as well. There is another 3D asset we need to add. Go to the Quixel bridge and go up. This is the animal skull I have downloaded for this project. Just import to project. Okay, you just need to close this window, open the content browser, go to the content, the megascan, 3D assets. This is the animal skull we have, and you just need to drag it here like this. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, you can just copy this one and drag this one like here, and one maybe goes like this. Okay guys, we are almost done for this part. And for the lost sign, as you have seen it in the cinematic video for this lost island, it's pretty easy. Just go to the content and go to the megascans, the 3D assets, and you need to download this one. I have downloaded this desert mob scatter rock. You can download any other rock as you like to. Just drag this one here, and you have to make a copy of it, like you are writing something. And if you just move it down, it just blends with the surface so good, like this, as you can see. Okay, so it will take some time. You can skip this one if you want so, but for the tutorial purposes I have done it. Okay, so you can make L, then O, then S, then T, and make a lost sign here. For this I have already made it for you. Just to save some time, I will delete all of these rocks, and for me I have just hide it for now. And for me, I have made a folder. This is the folder called lost. I cannot unhide it while searching a lost folder in the Unreal Engine. I don't know why. Maybe this is some kind of a bug, but if I go down, if I just don't need to search, just click on this lost and just unhide it, and as you can see, we have this beautiful rock formation here and this beautiful sign of lost. Okay guys, we are done with the part 3 of the lost island. I hope you all like my video. The fourth part will be the final part for this tutorial. In the fourth part you will learn how to add the ultra dynamic sky and ultra dynamic weather, and how to add the weather effects, the rain effects on the landscape and the rain effects on the 3D objects, like the rains dripping down from the 3D object. It looks pretty nice as you have seen in my cinematic video. And then you will learn how to add the sequencer and how to take the first shot in your scene. So stay tuned. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, and till then, see you all. Bye.